Thank you for giving me this opportunity to introduce our recent effort on interventional COVID-19 response forecasting using neural models. Here, I would like to thank NSF for quickly funding our project in this topic. Around 3 months ago, I saw this figure plotted by CNBC and start to think that whether we can learn from the experience of other countries in handling coronavirus to slow down the spreading of COVID-19. There could be many factors that could influence the spreading of coronavirus. Demographic factors, population density, business structure, cultural difference, psychological issue, and interventional policy. And these factors can influence contact ratio and infection ratio. And these two ratios will determine the ratio of hospitalization, ICU bed uses, and in the end, the number of death cases. All of those numbers can be characterized by time series data. As we know that time series forecasting has been studied for many years. Recently, we made a great breakthrough using pure neural network-based approach and achieved the state-of-art accuracy. And we would like to propose using this model to forecast the future cases in current region of interest based on the number of reported cases in reference regions. And we first applied this model in the local community, Santa Barbara County. Recently, it is experiencing a new wave of COVID-19 spreading that resembles that in other regions in other period. Here, I show you the three counties in North Carolina, which share a similar historical pattern with Santa Barbara. As you can see that the blue lines are quite close to the red lines. Therefore, we probably can use those green lines to forecast the number of new daily cases in Santa Barbara County. It turns out this idea works very well. Here, I plotted the 3-day ahead forecasting and the next week forecasting. And we have tried many different algorithms, including those leading algorithms. In terms of RMSE and MAP, the two standard error metrics, we found that our attention-based neural models can significantly outperform the leading SIR model. As we know that the prediction results of SIR models are often cited in news media and scientific conferences. And we further built a COVID-19 trend and forecasting website for Santa Barbara County so that the local decision makers can use this website to do better decision making. In the future, we plan to extend fine-grained prediction to all of the counties in the United States. And all of these predictions will be done in a fully automatic manner without any manual parameter setting. And we would like to further study the influence of different factors so that we can give some insight to the local decision makers so that they will know the consequence of those different decisions and interventional policies. Thank you for your interest.